circuit. You're going to trim the casing off and just strip the wire back on each of them. This tool, just make sure you leave enough sticking out. Right, all the wires need to be twisted to stop them being like brooms. So each end, just twirl it around in your fingers, holding the wire, and then after that we're going to tin the wires. That means we're going to put a fine coat of solder on the wire. So I'm going to lean the soldering iron on the wire, and that will heat up the wire. I'll then add the solder and then just wipe it along the wire. You'll see it melt, heat up the wires, you'll see the solder melt, and then you can just wipe it along. And that's what's called tinning. And you're going to tin your wires, you're going to tin your resistors, and the wires that go to your LED lights. So last one, just wipe it along, other end, heat it up, bit of solder, runs, and then just wipe it along. So that's your first step. Is that okay? Right, so we've tinned the wires. Same with the